To ensure that your display graphic is durable throughout its use, be sure to follow these necessary steps. While handling your graphic, make sure you lay a clean white sheet underneath your display before removing your graphic in case the graphic slips out of your hands. We suggest you wear clean, white gloves if available. Accidents happen and knowing how to deal with them is key. If a stain occurs, try first to carefully remove as much of it with masking tape or a magic eraser. If stain persists, remove your graphic from the display frame. Place a damp cloth behind the stain and with a second cloth, gently blot around the affected area. Most stains can be treated with a household fabric stain remover. Most household cleaners will provide suggested treatments depending on the type of stain. If needed, wash off all cleaning solution with water to ensure that there is no excess left over. If you notice that your graphic has become wrinkled, use a cool iron or fabric steamer. Steam your fabric graphic while it is tensioned and installed securely on the display frame. For backlit displays, steam from the back of the fabric if possible. If the backside is not reachable, go ahead and steam carefully from the front and avoid contact with the fabric and steamer. Backlit fabric should be loosely folded with bubble wrap. Avoid folding tightly in a small bag or box to prevent wrinkles. If possible, your fabric should be stored around a tube.